Welcome to Updawg-Yoga. We're going to do some yoga today. So have a seat, extend one leg out, and put the opposite foot on your inner thigh. So try to sit up tall, and as you sit up tall, reach for your foot, lean forward. Maybe close your eyes here, slow deep breath in through your nose. Long deep breath out through your nose. And that's all you have to do here. Take some deep breaths here. Feel free to bend your knee if you can't reach your foot. We'll make this all about your breath. Breath in through your nose. Breath out through your nose. With every inhale, lengthen through your spine, get longer. With every exhale, deepen a little more, relax a little bit more. And then walk your hands back in. Switch out your legs. This time your left leg reaches long. Put your right foot in towards your inner thigh. Inhale, reach up tall. Exhale, fold, grab your foot, or bend your knee and grab your foot, close your eyes. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. Long, deep breath out through your nose. Usually when I have one leg in front, my shoulders, or one shoulder likes to pop up, so try to bring their right shoulder down. This stretch is more almost about your low back than it is your hamstring, but I do feel it in my hamstring. So if you feel it too much, you can always bend your knee to lessen the stretch. Let's take one more deep breath here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Hey, come back up. This time I'm going to use 2 blocks. If you don't have 2 blocks, you can stack a couple pillows or use a bolster. So one is for the head, right? You're going to use highest position. The second one, you're going to do middle position. This is going to go on your back if you have blocks. If you have pillows, just lie back, okay? So use the blocks. The first one, it goes underneath your, like, where a bra would go, basically, bra strap. And then the other one is just a prop for your head. It's just a pillow. So extend your legs, let your palms face up, and close your eyes. And kind of melt into this posture. So soften everything, close your eyes, slow deep breath in through your nose, long deep breath out through your nose. Make this all about resting. We'll keep your face soft and relaxed. Let your fingers curl. Another option is to bring the soles of your feet together and your knees wide. I usually like to put props under there, like another pillow or 2 blocks. So if it's too much, you'll just stretch your legs out again. Close your eyes again, soften your face, melt. This is a great pose to hold on its own for even up to 10 minutes to open up your shoulders and your chest muscles, your pectoral muscles, your abdomen, and to just kind of relax into it, okay? So when you're ready to come up, you'll hold onto the mat or the floor, press your forearms down, lift yourself up, and then you can lie on your back or take meditation. Let's do a brief meditation. So as you lie on your back or as you sit up tall, hands to your knees, close your eyes, and slow deep breath in through your nose. Long deep breath out through your nose. One more moment of stillness. With your hands in prayer, thank you so much for joining me here today, for being on this channel, for exploring yoga with me. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. And feel free to stay here longer. I will see you in the next video.